Mizoram Chief Minister Lalduhoma has urged the center to understand the position of Mizoram in giving shelter to refugees from neighboring Bangladesh. During a brief meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi yesterday, Chief Minister Lalduhoma informed him that his government could not push back or deport Zo-ethnic people from Bangladesh's Chittagong Hill tracts. He informed the Prime Minister that many people belonging to Bom tribe, one of the ethnic Mizo tribes from Bangladesh, have been taking shelter in Mizoram since 2022, and many of them are still trying to enter the state. They started entering Mizoram in November of 2022 following a military offensive by the Bangladeshi army against the Kuki-Chin National Army KNA, an ethnic insurgent group fighting for a separate state. Mizoram Chief Minister also met Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Minister of Minority Affairs Kiren Rijiju, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Minister of State for Fisheries and Animal Husbandry George Kurian during his visit. Meanwhile, Zo Reunification Organization, Zoro, an Aizawl-based Mizo group representing Chin, Kuki, Mizo, Zomi tribes of India, Bangladesh and Myanmar, slammed the Border Security Force BSF for pushing back the Bangladeshi refugees seeking shelter in Mizoram.